In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your password in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your account secure is important, and changing your password periodically is a great way to do so. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks website. Open your favorite web browser and type in QuickBooks.intuit.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to sign in at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to go to your account settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your password. To get there, look for the small gear icon at the top right corner of the page. This is often located near your company name or your profile picture, depending on your setup. Give it a click. After that, select the option that says Your Account or Manage Account. Both of these will take you to the same destination where you can oversee your account settings. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more direct route, you can head straight to the URL accounts.intuit.com. This link will take you directly to your account management section. Once you've reached the account management page, it's time to select Security Settings. Look for a tab labeled Security and give it a click. Here, you'll find the option to change your password conveniently labeled as Password. Click on this and you might be prompted to verify your identity. Intuit takes security seriously, and this is just their way of ensuring that it's really you making these changes. They might send a verification code to your registered email or phone, so keep an eye out for that message. With verification out of the way, you'll need to enter your current password. This confirms that you have the authorization to make changes to the account. After you've done that, go ahead and type in your new password. It's a good practice to choose a strong one using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure it's something memorable to you but tough for others to guess. After typing it out, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again to ensure there are no typos. Once you're satisfied, click on the button that says Save or Update Password. This will officially change your password in the system. You'll then receive a confirmation email from Intuit confirming that the change has been successful. As a final step, log out of your QuickBooks account, then log back in using your new password to ensure everything is working smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your password on QuickBooks Online. Remember to keep your new password safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.